in this video the chapter number 2nd of class 7, and that is fractions. In the last video we have completed question 1 to 2 of exercise 2a, and so now let's see the next question number 3 of exercise 2a. Question number 3, so first part is question number 3. Arrange the following fraction in descending order. First part is 3/4, 7/8, 7/12 and 17/24. The first part is, so first of all we take the LCM of denominator for 8, 12 and 24. So LCM of the denominator for 8, 12, 24 is equal to 24. So first work is complete, and then next, now let us change each of the given fractions into an equivalent fraction having 24 as its denominator. So change the equivalent fractions. So first fraction is 3/4. So 3/4 multiply numerator and denominator by 6. So 3 into 6 equal to 18/4 into 6, 24. First, second, 7/8, 7/8 again multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So 7 into 3, 21, and 8 into 3, 24. Next fraction, 7/12, 7/12 again multiply numerator and denominator by 2, equal to 14/24. And next fraction, 17/24. So so denominator is 24, so the fraction is same, 17/24. So first fraction 18/24, next 21/24, next 14/24, and next fraction 17/24. So now directly check the numerator because denominators are same. So maximum numerator is 21. The first fraction is 21/24 is greater than second maximum numerator is 18. 18/24 is greater than next maximum numerator 17. 17/24 and next last numerator 14/24. Okay, so arrange in descending order, maximum number to minimum number, या maximum fraction to minimum fraction. So 21/24 fraction is 7/8. The first fraction is 7/8 greater than 18/24. 18/24 check the fraction, 3/4. Next 17/24. 17/24 fraction is same, 17/24. And last 14/24. The 14/24 fraction is 7/12. And so the given fractions in descending order are 7/8, 3/4, 17/24 and 7/12. This is your answer. Okay student, and next second part. Second, 2/3, 3/5, 7/10 and 8/15. Okay, so first of all take the LCM of all denominator 3, 5, 10 and 15. LCM of denominators 3, 5, 10 and 15 is equal to 30. Okay, and now let us change each of the given fractions into an equivalent fractions having 30 as its denominator. So change the first fraction is 2/3. So change in equivalent fraction. So 2/3 numerator and denominator both multiply 10. So 2 into 10 20/30. Next fraction 3/5. Next fraction change in equivalent fraction 3/5 multiply numerator and denominator both are 6. Okay, so 3 into 6 18 and 5 into 6 30. Next fraction 7/10. So 7/10 numerator and denominator both are multiply 3. So 7 into 3 21 and 10 into 3 30. And next fraction 8/15. 8/15 multiply 2 numerator and denominator equal to 8 into 2 16 and 15 into 2 30. So all fraction change in equivalent fraction. So equivalent fraction is 20/30, 18/30, 21/30 and last 16/30. So now directly check the numerators because all denominators are same. So arrange the fraction in descending order. तो अरेंज करेंगे डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. तो फर्स्ट लार्ज मैक्सिमम नंबर टू मिनिमम नंबर. सो फर्स्ट चेक द मैक्सिमम न्यूमरेटर. सो मैक्सिमम न्यूमरेटर इज 21. तो 21/30 इज ग्रेटर देन सेकेंड न्यूमरेटर 20. तो 20/30. नेक्स्ट न्यूमरेटर 18. 18/30 and last minimum numerator 16. Okay, so check that 21/30. 21/30 fraction is 7/10 is greater than second 20/30. So 20/30 is 2/3. Next fraction is 2/3. Next 18/30. 18/30 check the fraction 3/5 and last fraction 16/30 check the fraction 8/15. Okay, so the given fractions, in descending order are equal to 7/10, 2/3 3 upon 5 and last 8 upon 15. Okay, so this is answer. Okay student, and next question number 4. So student, question number 4. Renu got 2 upon 7 part of an apple while Sonal got 4 upon 5 part of it. Who got the larger part and by how much? मीन्स क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है, एप्पल का कुछ पार्ट कौन, रेनू, एंड सेकेंड जो एप्पल का पार्ट है वो 4/5 कौन ले रहा है, सोनल. सो दोनों में से किसके पास ज़्यादा लार्जर पार्ट है एंड कितना ज़्यादा, बाई हाउ मच. सो करेंगे सोल्व. सो फर्स्ट इज रेनू एंड सेकेंड इज सोनल. ओके, तो रेनू गोट 2/7 पार्ट एंड सोनल गोट 4/5 पार्ट. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. तो फर्स्ट डिनोमिनेटर 7, सेकेंड 5. सो एलसीएम ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर 7 and 5 is equal to 35. So now let us change both fractions into an equivalent fraction of having 35 at its denominator. So first fraction is 2/7 multiply numerator and denominator both are 5. So 2 into 5 10, 7 into 5 35, and next fraction is 4/5. Numerator and denominator both are multiply 7. So 4 into 7 28, 5 into 7 35. So Renu fraction is 10/35 parts and Sonal fraction is 28/35 part. Okay, so compare the numerator 10 and 28. So 28 is the larger. So 28/35 fraction is the larger fraction. So 28/35 fraction is Sonal. So Sonal got the larger part. So Sonal got the larger part. And now difference of their parts equal to 28/35 minus 10/35. So equal to 28 minus 10 equal to 18. So now 28 minus 10/35. So 28 minus 10 18/35 parts. Okay, so Sonal got the larger part and by how much? So how much? 18/30 part is more. Okay, this is your answer. Okay student, and next question number 5. And next question number 5. Find the sum. First part 5/9 plus 3/9. Okay, so first fraction is 5/9, second fraction 3/9. First denominator 9 and second denominator 9, both are same. So directly sum of numerator 5 plus 3 upon denominator is 9. So 5 plus 3 equal to 8 upon 9. This is answer. Okay. Next, second part, 8 upon 9 plus 7 upon 12. So first fraction is 8 upon 9 and second fraction is 7 upon 12. First denominator 9, second denominator 12. So first of all, so now we take the LCM of denominator 9 and 12 is equal to 36. So LCM equal to 36. LCM divide first denominator, so 36 divide 9 equal to 4 multiply first numerator 8. Next sign plus LCM divide second denominator, so 36 divide 12 equal to 3 multiply second denominator numerator 7. So 4 into 8 equal to 32 plus 7 into 3 equal to 21 upon 36. So 32 plus 21 equal to 53 upon 36. So 53 upon 36, this is answer. Okay student, question number second part is solved, and next part in the next class